Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to teach you Accountancy of Class 11. Chapter 1st, Introduction to Accounting. So accounting is important for each type of organization, even profit organization, even not for profit organization. So first meaning of accounting. Nearly every business enterprise has accounting system. It is means of collecting, summarizing, analyzing and reporting in monetary terms information about business. So this is the meaning of accounting. Next, features of accounting. First, identifying, selecting transaction and events of separate nature. It means they should be separate nature. Next, measuring, expressing the business transaction in terms of money. It means only money transactions. Second, recording, recording in books of account. It means only those transactions and events are recorded in accounting which are of financial character. Next, classifying, grouping of transaction of same type in separate account. It means after recording the transaction in journal or subsidiary books, the transactions are classified is to be process of grouping the transaction of one nature at one place in a separate account. Next, summarizing, to brings together a number of classified account under one single account. For example, the account of various customers are grouped under the debtor account. It means summarizing is the art of presenting the classified data in a manner which understandable and useful to management and other users to such data. This involves the balancing of ledger account and preparation of trial balance with the help of such balances. Next, significant. Accounting information is presented in significant manner for making decision. Next, interpretation, explaining the meaning and significance of management related to established. Means in accounting the result of the business are presented in such manner by preparing trial, trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet that parties interested in the business such as proprietor, managers, bank, creditors, employees can have full information about profitability and the financial position of the business. Next, communication. Communicating the result, the interpretation of financial statement to the end of users. It means accounting is the also include communication of financial data to the users who analyze them to per their individual requirements. So these are the features of accounting. Next, accounting cycle. Accounting cycle means when a accounting transaction will be recorded in different places. So first, accounting cycle classifying and summarizing are also terms process of accounting. It's called also accounting cycle. So first transaction, the first point of accounting cycle, transaction. Second, journal entry or subsidiary books. Third, ledger. Fourth, trial balance. And fifth, trading and profit and loss account. First, transaction means related to funds. Okay. Then these transactions may be recorded in journal entry or subsidiary books. When transactions is very small, it means the organization is very small, their transaction is very less. So first time they record the transaction in journal, otherwise in subsidiary books. Then ledger. Ledger means separate account of each particular item. Then trial balance. Balances of each particular item will be transferred in trial balance. With the help of trial balance, we'll prepare trading and profit and loss account. So this is the accounting cycle. Next, accounting science or art. So first, accounting is science is an organized body knowledge which based on certain principles. Accounting is also art is involved recording, classifying, summarizing and interpreting the financial transaction of a business which help in the achieving the desired objective. So we can say that accounting science as well art. Once again, accounting is an art as well science. Art is the technique of recording the transactions. Accounting is an art of recording, classifying and summarizing business transaction with a view of ascertain the net profit or financial position of the company. Any organized body knowledge which based on certain specified principles is called science. So accounting as well science as well art. Now branches of accounting. So there are many branches of accounting. First, financial accounting. Second, cost accounting. Third, management accounting. Fourth, tax accounting. And last, social accounting. So first we'll discuss financial accounting. The financial accounting means the main purpose of this branch is accounting is to be record the business transaction in a systematic manner to find out the profit and loss of the accounting period by preparing a profit and loss account and present the financial position of the business by preparing balance sheet. It means this branch accounting provide information required by management, various other interested party. Second, cost accounting. The main purpose of this accounting is to find out the total cost and per unit cost of goods, product and services interested by a business. It also finds the cost in advance and helps the management to solution. Next, management accounting. The main purpose of management accounting is to present the accounting information in such a way to assist to manage and planning and controlling the operation of a business. Next, tax accounting. The branch of accounting which used for tax purpose is called tax accounting. Income tax GST computed on the basis of this accounting. And next and last branches of accounting, social accounting. The society provide the infrastructure and facility without which business cannot operate at all. It means the business also has responsibility to the society. Okay, so these are the branches of accounting. So first, financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, tax accounting, and social accounting. Next, bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is the combination of two words, book plus keeping, which means maintaining the books of account a proper and systematic way. It's called bookkeeping, right? Once again, bookkeeping is the combination of two words, book plus keeping, which means maintaining the books of account in proper and systematic way. It's called bookkeeping. So once again, bookkeeping is an art of recording in books of account the monetary aspect of commercial or financial transaction. It's called bookkeeping. Next, what is accounting? The language of business. First, large international corporation, single person, home-based business, government agency, and non-profit organization. Okay, so this is the accounting. Some definition already I told you, like definition of accountancy. An accounting system is the means of collecting, summarizing, and reporting in monetary terms information about the business. Now, objective of accounting. What is the main objective of accounting? Right? So, first, to maintain the records of business transactions. Second, calculation of profit or loss. Okay. Next, depreciation of financial position, to know financial position of the organization. To make information available to various groups and users. The faculty in rational decision making. Okay. So there are many objectives. Next, advantage of accounting. First, maintenance of business record, preparation of financial statement, comparison of result, decision making, evidence in legal matters, provide information to related parties. It means there are many parties. Help in taxation matter, valuation of business, and replacement of memory. Next, some demerits or limitation of accounting. Accounting not fully exact. Accounting does not indicate the realizable value. Ignorance affect the price level change. Ignorance the quality information affected by window dressing. So this is the now accounting as source of information. Accounting is the regarded as the language of a business. It is used as means of communication between a business organization and its shareholder. The accounting process is source of information. It is used in business data and process. It generate relevant information. Now types of accounting information. Income statement, in statement of financial position and cash flow. Income statement means how much profit during the year or loss during the year. Financial position means at the end of accounting year, what is the actual financial position of the organization, how much assets and how much liabilities. Cash flow statement, how much cash inflow and outflow in the firm during the year. So this is the accounting information. Now users of accounting information. So there are two parties of accounting information. Two parties are interested like internal users and external users. First, internal users, business owners, it means proprietors, investors, those who have investment money, managers and employees. These are called internal users. They want to information of accounting. External users, lenders, suppliers, customers, tax authorities, competitors and government and public. So these are accounting information. Now some quality characteristic of useful in financial information. First, relevant, reliable, comparable and understandable. These are quality characteristic of financial information. Okay. Now system of accounting. There are two types of system of accounting to record the financial transaction. First, single entry system and second, double entry system. This system has no completed record of business transaction done during the specified period. It means it's an incomplete records. And double entry system, one account is given debit while another account is given credit with the equal amount. So there are two systems of recording the transactions. First, single entry system and second, double entry system. Okay, so this was the first chapter I have